Alright guys, sorry about yesterday's vlog ending very quickly. I took a migraine and stopped recording altogether. I slept for 12 hours overall, and in between one of those tiny wee sleep cycles, woke up, walked to the front door of the building, let Isabel in, and then went straight back to sleep. So going to the cinema didn't really happen, that's why. However, today we are going to Great Falls to do some hiking. That's this morning before Isabel has to go to work at 4 o'clock, and we'll see what we get up to after that. I am planning possibly on using one of those bird scooters, so yeah, fingers crossed, no broken bones. Yeah. Isabel's plan, as per usual, went to pot. Since I slept through all of the rain last night, didn't know that there was flooding.
Yep.
How far along the boat?
No idea.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
So the migraine continued for 2 days, and got back from the hike yesterday and crashed out for an hour and a half. It did disappear, however it was absolutely chucking it down outside, so we decided not to go out and watch the film. Just in general chilled out, chatted with the roommates. Today's different, we're going to Chestertown, so I will video as much as I can and feel comfortable with. So yeah, I'll see you in the rest of this vlog. Hopefully you like it. If you do, thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'm still tired. Woke up to get stuff ready quick. So apologies. And the road trip to Chestertown starts now. 60 miles, roughly.
I don't know, it's going to take an hour and a half.
So we've arrived in Chestertown. We are 10 minutes outside of it at some farm where the wedding is taking place tomorrow. It's pretty swanky. I've been delegated, chucked back to the man cave, so I'm just sitting watching the Ryder Cup. But we'll go out and have a wander about and have a look at some of the stuff that's around about. So B-roll on the phone challenge is probably about now.
Alaskan.
Alaska. It's coffee with whipped cream. It's in Alaska. Anyway, it's not nice. But I paid money for it, so I've got to eat it.
I'll drink it.
It most definitely is a pirate ship.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
It's a pirate ship. It's yellow and black, and it has pirate sails.
It's the Sultana.
Which was a pirate ship.
No, it was not a pirate ship. It was a boat. It was a trading ship.
Pirate ship. We're so far in the sticks. There's a pirate ship.
It's not a pirate ship.
Pirate ship.
It's not a pirate ship.
Them deep pirate sails. I do like trains. It actually works. I've got to do the Indiana Jones running. So it didn't work, the plan that we had, so I've got to walk right in front. This is possibly the smallest town that I've been in America, short of Oskaloosa. It's very quick to get anywhere. Even in Oski you had to walk for a good 10-15 minutes, whereas here it's about 5 minutes walk from everything. So I've got stuff from Dollar General and just walking back to the Airbnb now, where I've got to get ready for the meal later on. I'm going to go to the bar first and see what's happening down by the water's edge. So, just getting ready for the meal. A few pints down at the Fish Whistle, and get shirts buttoned up. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm feeling spot, loosey-goosey. All those good things. Quite liking this little town. Yeah, look. Yeah. Good. Yeah. We good. Film any of Fisherman's Wharf or anything, or the meal.
Fish whistle.
Fish, whatever. But that's the end of today's vlog. Like, rating would be appreciated. Comment down below. Subscription would also be appreciated. And until next time, guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.